Hi, Mike. I'll just give you a quick overview and then I'll send you the full instruction set for the full screen slider. But any of the components in your site, what you would do is basically you'll find them in the library and the components, the shared or the sliders, so any of the library files. But the full screen slider is within the library sliders and it's right here, full screen slider. Okay, and open that up and then you would open up the full screen slider LBI, like so, and then you can change the text and your content. So these would be the titles and descriptions of each picture you see here, and this is where it's sort of you could preview your page and have a look at the page, but what you see is you can just change with regular text right here. If you flip it over to the code view, this is the actual image right here. So image 1, image 5, right? We go on down 3 and 2 and 4, and the images are located right in here, and there it is 1 through 7 right down here. So if you want to change the pics, put your picture into the images folder, and then you can just go and change the name of the image right here. You don't even have to bother too much with the folder location, right? But that's for changing any links or any content. You would change it in here. Now you said you think you screwed it up. Now you can actually go into your index page or any page, and you can physically detach these items and have them edited directly in the page, but it's very hard to edit whenever you have a slider, because you're going to see the first picture and the first bit of text, but the other 6 pictures and all their titles and descriptions, they're hidden basically when you're editing it in just a regular HTML. In other words, you can do it in code view, not a problem, but it's a real nightmare to try and do in design view when you have these things actually embedded in your regular web page with everything else. That's why we use library files, so you can keep all the stuff separate, and it makes it a little bit easier just to run through and update the stuff, just like you would on a WordPress site. You wouldn't go to your individual page in WordPress and try and update anything. So anyways, that's how to do that. I'll send you the full instruction set, but keep in mind, if something went off the rails, hopefully you have a copy of the zip file we sent you. Just make another folder of your site and drag a fresh copy of the index page into your site, and then you can start over again, right? Or if you get stuck, zip up the site, send it over to us. We'll make sure that the library files are embedded properly, and I'll fire it back to you.